Hello everyone, I'm back at Walmart. Okay, yeah, I'm looking for some shoes. Okay, me back here in Walmart. So I was looking for dress shoes. So, and these are cute. Look at that. Is that cute or what? I have to find me a stocking for the shoe. Okay, I'll show you the one that I found. Look at this one. You like that one? Is that cute or what? That's cute, huh? And got the cushion on the inside too. So, I gotta have my shoe gotta be comfortable, y'all. Don't know how long this phone gonna stay on. So, look at all the cute shoes. Who don't like going shopping? I love it. Oh yeah, look at the cute tennis shoe over here. Look at that. Isn't that cute or what? Yeah, they got some cute shoes in here, y'all. Yeah, they got cute shoes in here. But they don't have many dress shoes.
Good afternoon, Walmart Associates. Can I please get all caps fresh to receiving?
That's cute.
Once again, all caps fresh, you're needed to
But basically, I needed a black shoe. Oh, some cute pant boots. These type of boots you wear with pants. Those are cute. Okay. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, look at the men's shoes. They got some nice looking shoes for men. Work shoes, I suppose. Look at that. It's a nice work shoe. Oh, and bigger. Look at those. Nice steel toe. That's what it is. Yeah, this is what my son uses when he go to work. Steel toe shoe. Yeah. Well, they even have sandals. I can get in there. Trying to see. Okay. It's getting hot enough to wear sandals, y'all. See? It's hot enough. And those are cute. What do you think? Those are some cute sandals. Yeah. They have so many different types of sandals. Yeah, see? And,
Attention, Walmart Associates. Can I please get customer assistance to the pharmacy personal care case? Once again, customer assistance
look
to
at
the
those,
pharmacy
y'all.
personal care case, please.
Look at those. It looks like it's a belt buckle on it. It's alright, not my taste. Oh, these are cute. You guys, look at that. They look kind of pinkish. Yeah. There's some pink right there. Yeah, it's pink. Pink and blue. See the price on it. $14, not bad. Oh, okay. All right, you guys. Check out them sandals. Okay.
Customer assistance, please.
All right, check them out, check them out, check them out. Yes. Shoe shopping is the business, y'all. Oh, that's a tennis shoe right there. I ain't into the leopard, y'all. Got shoes everywhere over here. I don't know what kind of shoes are those. Probably look like water shoes. I don't know what that is. Look like a water shoe, maybe. And then they have the thongs. See? Yeah. Well, they even got the wide sizes. See? It say wide width. That's the size I be looking for. So my feet don't be all cramped up. Oh, cushion on it. They got the cushion on it. See? See? You can see the cushion.